idea. The only thing more powerful than an idea whose time has come is belief. The belief of a united community committed to the success of that idea. History is created by those who believe in the impossible. Innovators, pioneers, creators, disruptors, and visionaries. The ones who see beyond the confines of the old world. Those who are ready to break free and tap into limitless potential. Rarely in history do we witness moments so massive, so transformative, where we stand at the cusp of the changing of the guard. From the old ways of digital and physical commerce to a revolutionary model set to take the world by storm. And here is the reality. This is your moment to be a pioneer and be part of one of the greatest shifts in business history. Welcome to a new way to do business, where decentralized commerce has arrived and a new world awaits. This is Shoply, a truly global platform that brings the power back to the people, where the walls of centralization are dismantled and the power of crowdsourcing reshapes participation. Shoply empowers vendors to connect with customers, influencers with audiences, and entrepreneurs with opportunities. This is an unparalleled moment in history where you get to be amongst the first to transform the future. Lock in your position immediately and send your exclusive invitations to your first 5 visionaries. Spread the word through your network before someone else does. Unlock the secrets to decentralized commerce by clicking the link below. Let's create history together. Shoply. The world is your marketplace.